Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are gonna learn that how we can use custom fonts in React Native. For that firstly we need to install expo font library in our project directory. So here navigate to your project directory and in the search bar type cmd, and after that you need to write here I am going to navigate to my folder, like name of my folder, project folder. So it's social linking. So now here we need to type expo install expo font, and when you will click enter, this is going to install the expo font library in your project, but I have already installed it, so I'm not going to repeat it. After that we need to download the font. So for that navigate to googlefonts.com, and here you can find a lot of fonts that you can use in your project. I have selected Lato to use in this project, and so you can download it from here, download family button, and this will be a zip file, and you need to extract this. And when you will extract this you will get many more fonts like Lato black, Lato black italic, Lato bold, but I'm using Lato black and I have renamed it with Lato in my project. It is here lato.ttf inside the font folder, which is inside the asset folder. So now let's start the code. Here I will firstly import use fonts from expo font, and after that I will import the font I want to use, and that is Lato from assets and font, and now we type the name for font, that is lato.ttf. So here after this we need to load the font, and that will be here const loaded equal to use fonts, and here I am going to give the name of font I want to use, and that is Lato, and I'm putting here comma, so you can add more fonts after the comma. You as many fonts as you want to use, but every time you want to use font you firstly need to place it here in the project directory, and also need to import it here at the top, and then you can load that font and use that in your project. Now let's add a text component and add some text in it so that we can check whether it's working or not. Firstly write code hi how you, so is not you. So let's check. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. Now add styling to check whether the font have been loaded or not. So style is equal to, so I'm adding inline styling here. So I will type font family colon, so name for font was Lato, as so let's check whether it's working or not. So you can see that there's a change in font here as the font has been loaded and new style has been applied. So in case due to some reasons font didn't get loaded, you can type the code here like if not loaded, but this will only work in some scenarios when the font didn't get loaded due to some reasons. So if the font didn't get loaded, you can return a statement that can say that font is loading. So I will type here font is loading, but I think this will not show here because font has been loaded already. So that was all how you can use a custom font in React Native. So for more videos consider subscribing to my channel, share this video with others, and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you can get notification for every new video being uploaded by my side. Peace out.